So children, as you all know, we are celebrating National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. This day is celebrated on 31st of October every year. It started from 2014. Run for Unity was the first initiative which was taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015. On this day, I would like to tell all of you the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Children, in 1928, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel successfully organized Bardoli Satyagraha. It was against British tax increase. Children, his name is Vallabhbhai Patel, but after completion of his successful Satyagraha, he was given the title Sardar. From then he was known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So his real name is Vallabhbhai Patel and Sardar is his title. Sardar is the title which is given to him. Children, in 1920, Gandhiji organized non-cooperation movement. In the non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji asked to boycott the government schools of British. And in 1920, Vallabhbhai Patel opened Gujarat Vidyapeeth in Gujarat. In 1931, he served as the president of the Indian National Congress of the Karachi session. In the Karachi session, he demanded fundamental rights for the first time. Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the first Congress leaders to accept the partition of India, and he was outraged by Jinnah's Direct Action Day campaign. Children, he was also part of Constituent Assembly, and he was chairman of various committees which are responsible for tribals and fundamental rights. Very, very important. Every children should know. After getting independence, he was first Deputy Prime Minister of India, and he was also the first Home Minister of India. When we got independence, children, that time 562 princely states in India were not part of India. He was given the task of integrating these 562 principal states. He skillfully achieved this and took strong steps like sending the army to Junagadh and Hyderabad. And because of these steps, these 562 princely states became part of India, and what is he known by today? He is known as Iron Man of India. So children, who is known as Iron Man of India? Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Many a times you all students come on the stage and you say, I want to become IAS, I want to become IPS. Children, after becoming IPS, you have to go to Hyderabad. In the Hyderabad, there is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Police Academy. In that academy, you have to train yourself for 1 year, and after that only you can become IPS. Because he was the person who strengthened the All India services. There are 3 All India services, children: IAS, IPS and IFS. Patel was selfless leader who placed country's interest above everything. The contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in building a modern and unified India needs to be remembered by every Indian as the country marches ahead as one of the largest economies in the world. With the words of Patel, I end my speech. कठिन समय में कायर व्यक्ति बहाना ढूंढता है, कठिन समय में कायर व्यक्ति बहाना ढूंढता है, बहादुर व्यक्ति रास्ता खोजता है. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.